Hi, welcome to Ep-1. This is episode 1 of C-Aptitude, a new series that we are starting, which would obviously involve C-Aptitude questions. So it is basically find the appropriate questions on C language. So let us get to today's problem. So in today's problem, we have a main function and then a for loop inside it and then the return statements. So since there is an integer, return type main function, we have return 0 at the end. So let us leave those two parts and concentrate on the part that is given in between, that is the for loop. So for int I is equal to 7 and we are traveling till the condition, that is the condition that is given to us is n should not be equal to 0. Okay, and the updation statement that we are using here is n minus minus. Okay, so this is the for loop, the assignment, updation and the condition. So if it is true, what is the statements that are being executed? The statement that is being executed is the printf statement, that is, it prints the value of n. Okay, so straightforward simple question. What is the answer to this question? So we'll start with the value of n is equal to 7. So is the condition satisfied here? N is not equal to 0. 7 is not equal to 0 is true, hence it is satisfied. So we are printing the value of n here. So the value of n here is printed, but n minus minus is the given number inside the printf statement. So that means it is a postfix decrement. So at that position, at that print statement, the value of n would be 7. But after that statement, wherever we use n, the value of n would be 6. Okay. So in this case, 7 would be printed and we'll move on to the next iteration. But moving on to the next iteration, the updation statement will be executed. What is the updation statement? That is n minus minus as well. And hence, now the value of 6 will be decremented to 5. Right? So now we are printing again the value of n minus minus. So at that location, the value of n would be 5. But after that, n would become 4. In similar fashion, the value of 4 would become 3. So value of 3 would be printed and then 0, and then 1 and then minus 1, and it goes on till infinity, minus infinity. But we'll never reach the condition where the value of n is 0. And that is why the answer to this question would be an infinite loop. As you can see here, the starting value of n is 7 and then it became 5 and then became 3, 1, minus 1. It skipped 0, right? And that is where this condition fails. So this would give us the output of an infinite loop. So that would be our answer. Now let's go on to the compiler and verify this output. So here we have the code. Now let's run this code and verify our output. So our answer should be an infinite loop, and as you can see here, that is what we get. So now let's stop this program and go back to the presentation. So that is the answer to this question. Now let's move on to the try session. So the question of the program is changed slightly. What will be the output to this question? Let me know your answers in the comment section below. If you love this video, please drop a like and comment down below if you have any questions. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next episode of C-Aptitude. Until then, bye-bye.